Hey there, welcome back to the second part of the video of phonic sound. Today we will be discussing N to Z. Let's go. And a nest, na nest, and a nest, na nest. O octopus, o octopus, o octopus, o octopus. Peepa penguin, pa penguin. Peepa penguin, pa penguin. Qua queen, qua queen. Qua queen, qua queen. R rainbow, R rainbow. R rainbow, R rainbow. S sun, S sun. Sun, sun. T tortoise, T tortoise. T tortoise, T tortoise. Umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella. We were violin, we were violin. Violin, violin. W whale, W whale. Whale, whale. X xylophone, X xylophone. Xylophone, xylophone. Y yo-yo, Y yo-yo. Yo-yo, yo-yo. Z zebra, Z zebra. Z zebra, Z zebra. That's all for today, and we will be back with the next video soon. So stay tuned. Bye bye.